Tal law was created after the Supreme Court decided that there is no possibility to give so many people exemptions from Army. This means it's 1998 when the Supreme Court had his decision. There were 30,000 yeshiva students that didn't serve in the Army. The Supreme Court said there is no possibility to do it by a minister decision. There has to be a law. So the main purpose of the Tal law was to create a legal frame for the exemption. But another goal was to create kind of social process to take some of the yeshiva students out of the yeshivot to Army and to the working world. The ideological reason is that the main purpose of Jewish men in life in this world is to study Torah. So going to the Army is not the most important thing. If someone is studying Torah, that's more important. But it's clear that the main reason is the fear that the yeshiva students that will go to the Army will leave the Haredi world, will leave religion. So, you know, the Haredi world created in Israel walls that prevent its child from leaving their world. That means they study every day till late hours. They don't meet seculars or national religious. So there is big fear of place like the Army when they meet the other side of the Jewish world. That's the reason why there is more willingness to let married people to go to the Army than single people. Now, what happened is that all the senior economy experts in Israel are convinced that if this situation won't change, if a big part of the Haredi men won't go to work, the Israeli economy will crash. The main reason for the argument about the Army, because the government doesn't want them only to go to the Army. The government wants them to go to the Army and then go to work. And we have to know another thing. The Army is the best way to integrate people to the workforce. Because in Israel, the Army has some social goals. That means part of the Haredi men in the Army get education that is equivalent to 12 years at school. That means they are going out to the world like they finish high school. Others get a profession that will help them in the workforce. And experience in the Army is very good to find work. That means it's much better to convince an ultra-Orthodox man to serve in the Army and then go to work than just say to him, take an exemption from Army and go to work, because his chances of getting work won't be the same.